Namaste. Om Guru Ram Namaste. Good afternoon, all of you. My dear third class students, today discuss about muscles. So, here from your activity book, page number 31. Page number 31. See here, first 5,402 minus 2027. See here, 5,402 2027. See here, 12 12 minus 7 5 9 9 minus 2 7. Here 3 3 minus 0 3 5 minus 2 3. See, that is 3,375. So what we get, beta? 3,375. Next, or 5,402 minus 3,375. You can get 2027. Once check it. 5,402 3,375. See here 12, here 9, here 3. 12 minus 5 7, 9 minus 7 2, 3 minus 3 0, 5 minus 3 2. What we get? 2027. We can write. Now next 3,375 minus 1,895. You can get this. Once check it. 3,375 1,895. See, 5 minus 5 0. Take borrowing 17. 17 minus 9 8. 12 minus 8 4. 2 minus 1 1. So 1,408. Got it. Next 2027 minus 1,895. 2027 1,895. See here 7 minus 5 2. Take borrowing to this. This is 12. This is 9. This is 1. 12 minus 9 10 11 12 3. 9 minus 8 1. 1 minus 1 0. What we get, beta? 132. 130. Now next. Six 6,124 4,582 865 6677. First, 4582 is subtracted from 6122. 6124 minus 4582. See here, 6124, 4582. 4 minus 2, 2. 2 minus 8 not possible, take borrowing. 12 minus 8, 4. 0 minus 5 not possible, take borrowing. 10 plus 0, 10. 10 minus 5, 5. 5 minus 4. What we get better? So 1542. You can write 1542. Now next, 1542 is subtracted from 6124. Here what are 6124 minus 1542. You can get 4582. 6124, 1542. 4 minus 2, 2. 2 minus 4 not possible, take borrowing. 12 here 0. 12 minus 4, 8. 0 minus 5 not possible, take borrowing. 10. See here, 10 minus 5, 5. 5 minus 1, 4. What we get better? You can get 4582. 4582. Now next, 4582 minus 865. See here, 4582, 865. See here, 2 minus 5 possible, better not possible, take borrowing. 10, 10 plus 2, 12, 8, it can last one here, 7, 12 minus 5, 7, 7 minus 6, 1, 5 minus 8 not possible, borrowing. So 15, 15 minus 8, 7. So cut it here 3. So what we get better? 3770. 3770. Next we subtract 865 from 1542. See here, you can get 677. 1542 minus 865. So you can get 677. Means here 1542, 665. See 12, 12 minus 5, 7. Next cut it 3, borrowing 13. 13 minus 6, 7. Cut it 4, borrowing 14, here 0. 14 minus 8, 6. Now you can get 677. 600. Now next 1046. $290. Dash. Next, this is 189. So this is 567. First 290 is subtracted from 1046. Then you can write here 1046 minus 290. 1046, 290. 6 minus 0, 6. Now 4 minus and not possible, take borrowing from form. So 1 is giving borrow to this is borrow to this. Here 14, here 9, here 0. 14 minus 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 5. 9 minus 2, 7, 0. So 756. Next 1046 minus 756. 1046 minus 756, so you can get 209. Now check it. 1046, 756, 6 minus 6, 0. Take bar and this to this. Here 14, here 9, here 0. 14 minus 5. 9, 9 minus 7, 2, 0. So you can get 290. Next 756. 756 minus 189. So you can get 561. Now check it. 756, 189. Borrowing 16, 30 here 4. 16 minus 9, 7. 4 minus not possible. Borrowing 14 minus 86, 32. 6 minus 1, 5. So 567, got it. Next 290 minus 189. 290 minus 189. So here 10, 30, here 8. 10 minus 9, 1. 8 minus 8, 0. 2 minus 1, 1. What we get better? 101. You can write it here. 100. Now next solve the following 4-digit subtractions. 4-digit subtractions. See here 7,985, 4,632. 7,985 minus 4,632. First subtract the digits in ones place. 5 minus 2 possible. So 5 minus 2 you can count 2 after up to 5. 2 after 3, 4, 5. You can get 3. Next 8 minus 3, it is also possible because 8 is greater than 3. So you can count after 3 up to 8. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can get 5. Next 9 minus 6, you can get 3. 7 minus 3, you can get 7 minus 4, you can get 3. See what is the difference here? 3,353. Now next 9,326, 3,125. See here. First subtract the digits in ones place. 6 minus 5, 1. Next subtract the digits in tens place. 2 minus 2, 0. Any number is subtracted from itself, you can get 0. Next 3 minus 1, you can get 2. Next 9 minus 3, you can get 6. You can count 3 after up to 9. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You can get 6 right under thousands column. Now next 6,582. 6,582 minus 5,470. See here, first subtract the digits in ones place. 2 minus 0 possible. So 2 minus 0 you can get 2. 8 minus 7 1. 5 minus 4 1. 6 minus 5 1. That is equals to 1112. Next 4367 minus 3235. First subtract the digits in ones place. 7 minus 5 2. You can count after 5 up to 7. 5 after 6 7. Next 6 minus subtract the digits. So 6 minus 3. We subtract the digits in tens place. 6 minus 3. You can count 3 after up to 6. 3 after 4 5 6 3. Next 3 minus 2 1. 4 minus 3 1. Next 9800 minus 5700. Very simple this is. 0 minus 0 0, 0 minus 0 0, 8 minus 7 1, 9 minus 5 4. You can count after 5 up to 9. 5 after 6 7 8 9. You can get 4. Next 8615 5402. 8615 minus 5402. First subtract the digits in ones place. 5 minus 2 3. Next subtract the digits in tens place. 1 minus 0 1. Next subtract the digits in hundreds place. 6 minus 4 2. Next subtract the digits in hundreds place. 8 minus 5. You can count 5 after up to 8, 5 after 6, 7, 8. You can get 3. So difference is equals to 3230. Next Dula subtractions by carrying, borrowing. Listen carefully. Do the following subtractions. See first one, see 8485 minus 3270. Look at the blackboard everybody. First subtract the digits in ones place, that is 5 minus 7. It is possible? Not possible because 5 is less than 7. So we have to take borrowing from 8. So 5 is depend on 8. 8 is in tens place, then it is ready to give borrow to 5. So 8 how much given? 10 is given. So 8 tens means you can given 1 10, remaining here 7 tens because 8 is in tens place. So 10 is added to 5, you can get 15. Next 8 it can last 1, 8 minus 1 7. First subtract the digits in ones place. 15 minus 7. You can count 7 after up to 15. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How many? 5 plus 3, 8. Next, second one, subtract the digits in tens place. 7 minus 1. It is possible because 7 is greater than 1. 7 minus 1, you can get 6. Next, 4 minus 2, 2. Next 8 minus 3 5. You can count after 3 up to 8. 3 after 4 5 6 7 8. You can get 5 right down under thousands. Now next 4,361, 3,754. Now subtract the digits in ones place. First 1 minus 4 possible, beta not possible because 1 is less than 4. So take borrowing from 6, it can give 10, 10 is added to 1, 10 plus 1, 11. 6 it can last 1 here, 5. 6 minus 1, 5. Now 11 minus 4, 7. You can count after 4 up to 11. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How many? 7 fingers. So 7. Next 5 minus 5, 0. 3 minus 7 possible, beta not possible because 3 is less than 7. So take borrowing from 4, it can give 10, 10 is added to 3, you can get 10 plus 3, 13. So 4, you can last one here, 3. 13 minus 7. So you can count after 7 up to 13. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 5 plus 1, 6. Next 3 minus 3, 0. The difference is equals to 607. Next 9,624 minus 6,876. First subtract the digits in ones place. 4 minus 6 possible, not possible because 4 is less than 6. Now take borrowing from 2, it can give 10. 10 is added to 4, you can get 14. Now 2, it can last 1 here, 1. 2 minus 1, you can get 1. Next 14 minus 6, 8. You can count 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 write down under ones place. Now next 1 minus 7. Possible, beta? Not possible because 1 is less than 7. Now take borrowing from 6, it can give 10, 10 is added to 1, 11. Now 6, it can last 1 here, 5. 11 minus 7, you can count after 7 up to 11. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11. So what we get, beta? 4. Next 5 minus 8 possible, not possible. Take borrowing 15 here, 8. See here 15 minus 8, 7. So you can count 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Next 8 minus 6, you can get the difference is equals to 2,748. Next 7,223 minus 3,582. See 3 minus 2 possible because 3 is greater than 2. 3 minus 2, 1. Next subtract the digits in tens place. 2 minus 8 not possible. So 2 is less than 8. Take borrowing from 2, that is this 2 is in hundreds place. It can give 10, 10 is added to 2, you can get 12. 2 it can last one here, 1. 12 minus 8, 4. 1 minus 5 possible, beta not possible. Take borrowing from 7, it can give 10 is added to 1. 10 plus 1, 11. So 7 it can last one here, 6. 11 minus 5, 6. So 6 minus 3, 3. What is the difference? 3,641. Next 6,567, 4,869 minus. See here 7 minus 9 not possible. Take borrowing from 6, it will give 10. 10 plus 7, 17. 6 it can last one here, 5, 8. 17 minus 9 you can get 8. 5 minus 6 possible, not possible. Take borrowing from 5. So you can give strength 10 is added to 5, 15, 5 can last 1 here 4. 15 minus 6, 9. You can count 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How many? 5 plus 4, 9. Next 4 minus 8 not possible. Take borrowing 10 plus 4, 14. 14 minus 8 you can get 6. 5 minus 4, 1. Difference is equals to 1698. Now next 5862 1934. See here, first subtract the digits in one space. 2 minus 4 not possible because 2 is less than 4. So take borrowing from 6, it can use 10. 10 is added to 2, you can get 12. 6, it can last 1 year 5. 12 minus 4, you can get 8. Next subtract the digits in 10 space. 5 minus 3 possible, you can get 2. 8 minus 9 possible, not possible. Take borrowing from 5, it can give 10. 10 is added to 8. 8 plus 10 plus 8, 18. Then last year 4. 18 minus 9, 9. 5, 4 minus 1, 3. So difference is equals to 3928. Filling the answers. See here, 2635, 1000, so plus symbol. Next this plus this is equals to dash. Next 4890 minus symbol is equals to dash. See, very simple. 1000 plus 2635. 1000 plus 2635. See, 0 plus 5, 5. 0 plus 3, 3. 0 plus 6, 6. 1 plus 2, 3. What we get better? 3635. Next, this minus this means 4890 minus 2635. Look at the backboard. 0 minus 5 possible, not possible. Take borrowing 10. 10 minus 5, 5. So the last one here 8. 8 minus 3, 5. 8 minus 6, 2. 4 minus 4, 2. What we get beta? 2255. 2255. Now next. 5321 3111 plus is equals to dash minus is equals to dash. Here 1211. This is also very simple, don't worry. See, add this 3111 plus 5321. 1 plus 1 2, 1 plus 2 3, 1 plus 3 4, 3 plus 5 8. What do we get? We can get 8432. See here, there is no number, minus this is equals to this. Then see, this number means 1211 is subtracted from this, you can get answer. See, write down here 5321 minus 1211. 1 minus 1 0, 2 minus 1 1, 3 minus 2 1. Now next 5 minus 1 4. Okay. See, once check it. 5321 minus 4110. 1 minus 0 1, 2 minus 1 1, 3 minus 1 2, 5 minus 4 1. So right. Next 3232 2143 plus dash. See here, 8952 minus is equals to dash. See here, this plus this means 2143 plus 3232. 3 plus 2 5, 4 plus 3 7, 1 plus 2 3, 2 plus 3 5. What we get beta? We can get 5375. Now next this minus this. The 8952 minus 3232. See here, 2 minus 2 0, 5 minus 3 2, 9 minus 2 7, 8 minus 3 5. You can get 5720. Now next 1 1364 3748. One subtraction fact it can give to addition fraction of beta. So this minus this, you can get this. Now here minus, here is equals to. See here 1364 minus 2143. 4 minus 3, 1, 6 minus 4, 2, 3 minus 1, 2. Sorry, beta. See here 2143 minus 1364. See here. See, one subtraction facts it can give to addition facts. Same to addition facts it can give to subtraction facts. Here 3 minus 4 possible beta? Not possible. See here, take borrowing 13 minus 4, 9, 30 to 3, borrowing 13. So 13 minus 6, 7, 0 minus 3 not possible, 10, 10 minus 3, 7, cut it, 1 minus 1, 0. So what we get beta? See, once check it. Here is 2. 1364 plus 779, 4 plus 9, 13, 3 taking, 1 carrying. So this is 1 plus 6, 7 plus 7, 14, 4 taking, 1 carrying. 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 7, 1 carrying. So here 2143. Our assumption is correct. So we can write here 779. Next here, this is direct. Minus symbol is given. No? See here 3748 minus 1364. See here 8 minus 4, 4. 4 minus 6 not possible. Borrowing 14. 14 minus 6, 8. 6 minus 3 possible. 6 minus 3, 3. 3 minus 1, 2. What we get beta? 2384. Okay, today our class is completed. Thank you everybody.